make sure you're pulling it evenly. The tail light should come right off. We're gonna need a socket. We're gonna need a 10mm right here. We're gonna need a screwdriver itself. So this is gonna be a panel remover tool. Basically, it just removes the little clips. But if you don't have one of these, you can use a 2 flathead screwdrivers on that one. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and pop the trunk. And we're gonna go ahead and remove the covers right here on both sides, because we're gonna have to get into the screws back there. So we'll start off right here. Basically, go ahead and twist this off. This comes off like that. Over here, again, if you guys have this panel remover tool set, go ahead and remove that. But if not, you can use a flathead, 2 of them. One here and then one right here. Then right here, this cover that goes on the bottom of the, I guess like on top of the bumper. It's like this little piece right here, plastic piece. Right behind it, it's gonna be, well, it looks like this, but it's missing on here, on this one. So take that off. This one has it. So you take that off, like that. And on this one, there's clips right here, so all you have to do is pry it up. Like that. And then do the same thing on this side. Take off this piece right here. Take this piece off. So we're gonna go to that side. Pull this cover back. So on this, we're gonna have to take off the tail lights. So it's gonna be 3 screws right here. And you just use a 10mm to take those off. So unplug the tail light with this clip right here. And then, so it should easily come off, but just make sure you're pulling it evenly. The tail light should come right off. Alright, so we're gonna do the same thing on the other side of the tail light. We're gonna pull this cover back. Like that. Unplug the tail light. Alright, so we're going to put that tail light back in. Plug it up. Line it up with the holes right here. Make sure all the holes are lined up. And then push it in. Okay. Go ahead and put on the bolts for the tail light. Alright, so put this cover back on. Put those clips. Remember, this thing goes underneath this weather strip. One more right here. Oh, actually. Alright, so we're gonna put this on there. Screw it on. Now put the cover back on. Twist it in place. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So you basically push down it. There you go. And then put this little piece back on right here. And we're just gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, if you guys need anything for your Hyundai Genesis, visit us at ReveMoto.com.